Okay, so for several reasons, I have trouble reading this page. First of all, I'm old. Second of all, I'm tired, and there's some other stuff going on that gives me trouble with my vision. So instead of having to do Control or Command ++ to make a site larger, I will do what a lot of people using assistive technology do. I will change the settings in Chrome. I'm just going to set the font size larger. Under Appearance, I'm setting the font size to be very large. You see, if I have to do Control ++ on every page, that's an extra thing I have to do. If I can just enlarge the font sizes, I'll be good, right? Well, it depends, because a lot of developers are still using pixel values, and then nothing gets larger. And actually, I was pretty much taken aback that the sign-up form from Figma has these issues. I mean, come on, folks. This is a user interface tool to create code based on a design. I mean, like, okay, you know what? I'm not going to cuss. I feel very much like cussing, but let's not do that. All right. Now look what happens. Here on this side, I had a lot of problems here. It's not getting any larger, and I can tell you why. It's pretty simple. Because they use pixel values. Here, this is unreadable to me. And I can tell you, if you look under the hood of this, all this stuff is in the shadow DOM. So yeah, they can go blame the payment provider, but you know what? Figma can be used and bought by private persons in the EU. So yeah, Figma, be careful, because you folks are actually having to comply with the European Accessibility Act. But let's not get into that, okay? I can still hardly read my own name. I can hardly read this. The contrast of this text is really blah. Okay, and here we go. Now here it got larger. And then the shipping address is small again. Oh my. Yeah, I'm going to use this example for my talk at CMS Conf in Gdynia, Poland in November. Anyway, but you know what? I think I'm not going to sign up for Figma this time. I want to try and work with Penpot. Bye.